Hey, welcome back to AttractPassion. Let's talk about how you can create a brain coherence, heart coherence, and what it actually means. Brain coherence is actually a scientific word for explaining the frequency between or the connection between heart and brain while we are in that peaceful meditative state. So if we want to become more coherent, more synchronized with the flow of life, or connected with the universe, or connected with God, or however you want to explain it, or connected with the quantum field more scientifically, you can do a certain exercise where your brain will get more coherent, your heart will be more coherent, and eventually you will feel that higher energy in your body. You will feel more relaxed, you will feel more calm, and that's actually a great feeling. But not just that, at that state we can ask our heart for guidance, we can ask the universe for showing us a sign. By that we are connecting, like I said, to the universe, and we can receive more answers, or we can receive answers more clearly, which is truly amazing thing we can do. So I will explain it simply here, and so you will be able to do it at home or wherever you are. So it's not complicated. It's also, you can read about it on, it was made in many studies from HeartMath Institute, where they are researching the power and the potential of a human heart, and how powerful it actually is when we are synchronizing the energy waves with the energy waves of our brain, which means that when our brain and heart comes on the same frequency, they are synchronized, which means they are like on the same wave. And when it happens, we start to produce energy in our body. We become like a machine for creating energy, which is really amazing, because usually our emotions of survival, when we are stressed and we are victimizing ourselves based by the events in our environment, we are like experiencing stress, and those emotions are taking energy from us, they are draining our energy. And when we synchronize our heart and our brain, we start producing energy, so we get our energy back. And also from HeartMath Institute, scientists found out that if we are practicing this feeling for at least 3 minutes, our body will start to produce healing, or it will activate healing genes, which will start to heal our bodies. So it's really powerful way how we can become our own healers. So how we can do now? Let's explain how we can do it. Firstly, find the most comfortable position. Find the most comfortable position. You can sit, you can lay in bed, you can lay on the floor. Just make sure that you will not be disturbed for at least 5 or 10 minutes. So first thing is, find your own peace. Find your own peace, your own space where you will not be disturbed. The second one is, slow down your breathing. Maybe you watched previous videos on my channel. I've made some videos about creating a heart coherence, but it was just explaining the process. Now we will go maybe in more detail. So the second way is slow down your breathing. Greg Braden is talking a lot about it. So the second one is slow down your breathing. The third one is focus on your heart. And what I mean by that is set your attention onto your heart. You can place your hand onto your heart if it is easier, but you can also just with your mind travel onto the space of your heart. In my guided meditations, we are doing in each meditation, firstly we are relaxing, slowing down our breathing, and then we set our attention onto our heart. So the third one is set your attention onto your heart, focus onto our heart, focus on your heart, set your attention onto your heart. So while you are focusing onto your heart, the fourth one is think about something which awakens happiness and joy. So you can think about the moment when you were really happy, about the event where you were truly happy. So the point is that you awaken joy, you awaken gratitude, you awaken compassion. And the point here is those are much higher frequencies. The frequency of joy, frequency of gratitude, frequency of compassion, those are much higher energies that we are experiencing when we are stressed and angry and sad. So by that, not just that you will awaken and synchronize your energy, you will also become aware that you are the creator, because you can awaken any kinds of emotions you want anytime in a day if you will do that practice. So like I said, slow down your breathing, focus on your heart, and awaken the emotions. Dr. Joe Dispenza is saying elevated emotions. So I will write it like that because it combines more positive emotions. Elevate emotions of joy and happiness. And for some people it sounds quite complicated, but actually it's not. If let's say when we are focusing on our heart with closed eyes, we can just think about something beautiful that happened today or yesterday or any time in our past, something which was truly beautiful, and we will awaken the energy within our body. And what happens actually when we elevate emotions of joy and happiness, scientists find out that when our heart is coherent, more we are experiencing positive emotions, more the energy in our heart is synchronized, which means that our heart is becoming more and more coherent. The neurons in our heart, the atoms, are vibrating on the same energy. And what they found out is that when our heart is coherent, also our brain is coherent. So that's how you can create a brain coherence. So what we are talking right now, if you want to create brain coherence, you need to create heart coherence, because heart and brain are connected. And one great thing is also that our heart don't think, our heart knows. And when we are asking our heart for guidance, we will get straight to the answers without any negative thoughts or fearful thoughts. we will get the straight answer, the one which will be truly helpful for moving on in our lives. So this is it. It's a short exercise. I know anyone can do it anywhere you are. Doesn't matter if you're at your job or wherever you are. If you feel stressed, just find a peaceful place where you can do it. Take at least 5 minutes, slow down your breathing. You can close your eyes, it will be much easier. Then focus on your heart. You can also put your hand onto your heart and elevate the emotions of joy. And do it for at least 2 to 3 minutes, elevating the emotions. And if you will be consistent with it, every single day you will feel and you will see improvement in your life, in your health, in your mental state. Even with manifesting, you will become much, much better because you will be raising your energy. You will go higher with your energy every single day. You will become more aware that you are actually the creator in your life. You are creating the experiences in your life. You're elevating the energy, awakening the energy. So that's where you are getting, you're raising your energy. When we are stressed and angry, we are down here. We are victimizing ourselves. But when we are elevating our energy, our energy is rising, we are feeling better, and that's where we become masters of manifestation, masters of our own lives. We feel much better, we feel more joy, and that's it, my friends. Have a beautiful day. I'm sending you all lots of love, lots of blessings and peace, and see you soon.